sabihin na overtime na ako eh. Okay ba yan? Next naman tayo sa ating, what? Mouth. Sa mouth, meron din yung kinalaman ha. Unang-una, kapag tayo ay napapakita ng agreement, okay? Don't throw a quick smile. Anong quick smile yung ganyan? Kasi kapag kayo nag-throw ng quick smile, ganyan, para ibig sabihin mo ay forced agreement or forced decision. O kaya kayo ay half-hearted or or uninterested. Tama or mali? Ayan. And guys, iwasan nyo kapag kayo nakikipag-usap doon sa mga, yung tinatawag natin teeth grinding, you when the upper molars way down on the lower ones, and then you grind them together. Ganito, ano yung lumalabas? May lumalabas na a portion of the jawbone. Yun, kasi pag gano'n parang ibig sabihin parang kang closed-minded. So wag yung gagawin yan, ha? And then, kailangan, kapag kayo po ay tatawa, make sure that you stretch your lips sideways. Yan, ganyan. Ito yung tinatawag na genuine smile. Yung ba tipong sa right side, sa right post side ng eyes mo, may nabubuong tinatawag na parang paa ng uwak. Yung gano'n, no? Yan. So tingnan niyo sa salamin. Yung mga salamin ba kayo tingnan niyo? Ganun. Next! Tapos tayo sa mouth. Sa head naman. Kapag kayo ay nakikinig sa customer nyo at gusto nyo malaman nila na nakikinig kayo, you're paying attention, kailangan daw ganito. Nod your head fast, and then medyo nakatilt ng konti. Yan. Huwag po exage, ha? Huwag exage, no? Di ba? Thumbs up! Making melodies in my heart. O kaya, no? Thumbs up! Atubudoy! Atubudoy! Huwag ganun, ha? Next. Kapag tayo po ay nakikipag-usap sa mga customers natin, may kinalaman yung leveling ng ulo. Kailangan ang chin natin ay parallel with the ground. Kasi pag tumaas ng konti, para kang mayabang, arrogante, close-minded, gano'n ang ibig sabihin nun. Kaya kailangan level lang. Kapag naman mas mababa hindi parallel sa ground, mas mababa, ibig sabihin nun, ikaw ay mahiyain, less confidence, so gano'n dapat ha. So okay na tayo? Eyes, mouth, and then head. Tumungo naman tayo sa kamay. Tuturuan ko kayo kung paano mag-handshake ng tama. Firm handshake. Kailangan, not too weak, not too strong. So, pwede bang tumayo ka, ma'am? Hi, ma'am. Welcome to Ariva. Nice to meet you. Ayan. Ganyan. Kapag naman gusto mo ipakita ay ikaw ay thankful, amazed, or humbled by the presence of that person, pwede lang ito. Pwede ka naman tumayo ulit. Ayan. And then, ipatong mo yung kaliwang kamay. Ayan. Kapag naman ikaw ay eager, anticipating, or excited, sabi nila pwede mo rin i-rub yung hands mo together. Ganyan. Sir, ayun na po pala ang speaker. We've been looking forward to you. Ganon. Sir, paano kapag I want to give a firm handshake, and then I also want to be excited, and then at the same time, I also want to feel thankful para sa person na, di pagsama-samahin mo lahat. Ganito yun. Ayan. No? Meron actually yung gimmick dyan eh. Huwag mo lang lagyan ng mali siya kasi pag nilagyan mo ng mali siya, ganito yan, go. Can I dance with you? Hindi pa, meron pa sana akong ganun eh. Wala na. Okay ba yan? Wala na. Wala na yung effect natin. And next would be, tapos tayo, eyes, mouth, head. Dito naman tayo sa kamay. Alam niyo guys, I always make use of my hands. Kaya nga lagi ako nag-request ng lapel mic eh. Kasi when I make use of my hands, I express myself thoroughly and intelligently. Naniniwala ba kayo doon? Kaya make use of your hands. Huwag nyo lang sobrahan, ano? Huwag lang sobra. And then, time's up na raw, kaya malapit na tayo matapos dito, ha? Next would be, we're using of our hands, di ba? And then, next would be our legs. Kapag nakatayo kayo, ayaw daw nila nung hands on hips. Kasi authoritative. Tama? Okay lang, nakasplay ang legs mo and then your hands behind the back. Okay lang yan. And guys, sabi nila, bawal daw nagpo-cross ng arms. Talaga naman. Kasi when you are crossing your arms and then your hands are inside, ibig sabihin ng close-minded ka, authoritative. Kaya ang pwede mo gawin, ilabas mo yung kamay mo. And then sabay ganyan. Inamagin ka. Di ba? And, last but not least, tapos tayo. Eyes, mouth, hands, head, legs. Ano ba ba? Sa body language. Well, wala na tayong oras. Kaya let me just sum this up this way. Importante lang guys, na when you are talking to other people, especially your customers, both internal and external, you have to be wary of what you say and how you say it. And most importantly, how you look. Pwede ba yan? Ang dami di ba natutunan? Yes. Nag-enjoy ba kayo? Yes. Surely? Okay, ito ang pakakatandaan nyo. Motivational inspiration naman tayo guys. The scope of roles and responsibilities of secretaries, you, has already widened and evolved. You're not just secretaries. You're not just minute takers. You're not just phone takers. You're not just message takers. You're not just meeting organizers. Tama? You have already evolved to become customer service ambassadors. And guys, for you to look up highly of yourselves, don't just think of yourselves as secretaries. Kayo po ay extension ng boss nyo. Kayo po ay second in command. Kayo po ay nasa shadow ng boss nyo. Kayo po ay representative ng boss nyo. So you may only be secretaries and administrative professionals for now, but you are actually future leaders. So sa huling pagkakataon ko, pwede ba tumayo ang lahat? Tayo! Pwede ba sabihin nyo sa sarili nyo, eto, we, secretaries, secretly run the world. We, secretaries, rule the world. Diyan mo na ito-play yan. Delayed na eh. Delayed na. Sayang, no? Empowerment sana eh. Guys, thank you for listening for my 1 hour. Once again, this has been Mr. Myron, the corporate HR trainer sa Santa. May you enjoy the rest of your 2 days here. Thank you!
Alright, thank you so much.